Hey everyone, welcome back to Python for Beginner series, and this is gonna be our video number 41. And in this video we are gonna create a Base64 decoder. So in our last video we have created the Base64 encoder, and in this video we're gonna create a Base64 decoder. So let's see how we can solve this question. So I have already created a file, and here is our question, that is, write a program to decode a message to Base64. And we all know we have to import the Base64 library. Let's quickly create our function decode Base64, and we'll write the encoded variable Base64 bytes equal to encoded dot encode, and as usual we'll use the UTF encoding scheme, and we'll write the message byte equal to Base64 dot B64 decode method we'll use, and we'll provide our Base64 byte variable here. Now we'll return the message byte dot decode UTF-8, okay, encoding scheme. Let's get out of our function, and we'll create our variable, that is encoded equal to input. Enter the Base64 encoded text to decode. We'll create a decoded variable equal to, and we'll call our function, that is decode Base64. We'll provide our encoded variable, and we'll print our decoded variable here. So the decoded text, and we'll provide the decoded variable here. Okay, so let's run the code, and I have this encoded Base64 encoded message. Let's decode it. A man who praises himself display his deficiency of intellect. Let's run the code again. Enter the Base64 encoded text to decode. So here is our Base64 encoded text. Let's decode it. The right of freedom of speech consists in speaking the truth. Absolutely. So this is how you can create a Base64 decoder in Python. So give it a try and let me know your thoughts in a comment section. And yeah, that's it for this video, guys. I hope you like it. If you did, then please share this video with your friends and your colleagues, and make sure that you guys are subscribing to my YouTube channel. We'll see you in my next video. Till then, take care and keep learning. Bye bye.